The Sea-Doo Spark. It's versatile, lightweight, fast and fuel efficient, convenient. But just how versatile, lightweight, and convenient is it? We put it to the test against Miami, Florida. Population 2.7 million. 16 bridges and causeways, 6 marinas. The 9th most congested urban area in the U.S. How much of Miami can the Spark cover in one day? It's the versatile, easy-to-tow PWC versus one of the world's busiest waterfront cities. Let's go. First launch, Pelican Harbor Marina in North Bay Village. Next, it's south on A1A into the crowded heart of South Beach. Then west on the MacArthur Causeway towards downtown Miami. Across Biscayne Boulevard to the pedestrian-friendly Wynwood Arts District. Now for a midday launch in Coconut Grove. Cruising over the Rickenbacker Causeway to Key Biscayne. A quick bite at the Rusty Pelican. As the sun starts to dip, one last launch at Crandon Park Marina. And the winner is the Sea-Doo Spark.